Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix unable to retrieve settings. Try again later in Nvidia app. Let's fix it guys. Just press Windows key and R key together. Type a percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK to open up. Find Nvidia Corporation folder. Just double click on it. Now double click on the Nvidia app. Double click on the Ceph cache folder. Right click on the cache folder and select delete it. Press shift and select delete option and select yes. After deleting it, just to close stuff here and open up Chrome, search Revo uninstaller and press enter. Select the free download option. Select the free download option and it will start downloading. After getting download and you just need to click on it and install it. Select OK, accept the agreement and select next, install. Select the finish option after getting done. Now the program will automatically open up. Now you just need to in here search for Nvidia app to uninstall it. Just right click on the Nvidia app and select uninstall. Select continue option and it will automatically create a restore point. After getting done, select the uninstall option. After getting uninstall done, just to close stuff here, select in here advanced option. Make sure you select this and select scan option. This will scan for leftover files guys. After getting scan done, you just need to select all option and select delete and select yes, and this will delete all the leftover files guys. Now you just need to open up Chrome and search Nvidia app, press enter. Select the first link, select the download now option. After getting download done, you just need to click on it and install it. After opening the Nvidia app, make sure it is turned on and select next. Turn off the overlay just now. Now go to graphics and now you just need to select the game that you have a problem with and select the optimize option and now your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.